Hello guys, my name is Pravyado and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where you guys will create a free guest post backlink. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard, and you will see the website name is blogify.com. So and also I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys will navigate easily. Okay, and the another important are the unique feature, if I can share with you guys. So recently I have created a published article on this site for the verification. So how this site will working, so you will see I have created this blog, published this blog through this ID, if you can see. And you will see, and after I have opened this website for the new tab to create this video, so you will see this is a blog the featured in the home section, on the home section. So this is a very good thing to if any user are accessing this website or navigated this website, they will see your blog post, and the chances is to they will open your blog, and you guys will drive traffic from there. So I think this is a good website. Okay, so in this video I will tell you how you guys will register, self register, and how you guys will publish your article. Okay, so now we can start. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Before that, we can do some research about this site. So according to HRF, the domain rating is 22, and according to Moj, they don't have enough data. So you guys will check this website matrix through the any different tools. And if I can check this website traffic, so this website having 3.1k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India. So this website having that kind of statics, and so now we can start. So the first thing, this is a website URL, and after this URL you can do one thing. You can type /wp colon, if I haven't idea what we can call wp admin, then you can click the enter button. I typed the wrong things. I typed a double N, so let me remove one, and then you can hit this. So you will see this is a login panel. So simply you can click on the register button, and there you can add your all details like your name. So when you guys will creating profile, you can consider to adding your company name. Yeah, I think, let me check. So technology and the beauty blogs, and if anywhere are featured your profile name, DML training. Yeah, so you can use your company name. I think that would be the great idea. So let me, where there you can there we can use a company name. Okay, so there you can add your username, your email address to create account. So let me copy my email, and there you guys will choose your password. After, you can click on the create account button. So here it is, our account is successfully created. So simply you can click on the login button, and there you can fill your all details, login details, and click on the login button. So you will see this is your dashboard. So simply you can click on the post button, and you can click on the add new post, and I have an article. So let me open my article first. I have fresh article, so I can use my fresh content for this. So this is my content, and if I can use, so let me add there. So there you can add your title, and in the bottom section where you can add your content. So this is a very long content, so let me add there. And you guys will optimize your headings or your internal tags. So let me add into heading 3 heading, and this would be h3. So let me optimize my content, so you guys will do the same things. I can move, I can forward, I can make a fast forward this video, so that could be cannot waste your time, I guess. Okay. So the thing I did, so let's say there is a checklist option, so then because the checklist option there will update, get checklist, I have what so you can make all checklists, so we need 50 and 60 characters. Okay, so let me remove something, so about marketing trends, remove 50 and 60 characters. So this is a title. Okay, I guess this title is for this, so I can use top recruitment trends. I guess this would be going to work. Oh, it's not working. So what I can do, let me remove this and use this. What is this? And the after I have one another technique to how you guys will remove this checklist options. So first thing, we can add something before the doing these things. So let me add categories, so you can click on the post, and you will see this is a featured image, so there I can update a feature image. So I guess I don't have feature image right now, to how I can do. Yeah, I have a featured image DML training. Let me open this, and this is my website, so where I have created a backlink pages, so kind of a profile creation, social bookmarking. So if you can open any pages, and you guys will get a verified links with video tutorial. So suppose that if you are facing problem to creating backlink on this website, also I have attached a video link to, you guys will watch the tutorial and you guys will create confidently your backlink on this site. Okay, so now let me open a blog and then download this image, and I can upload my image in this after. So featured image is added. Now the next thing is we can add 1 2 3 categories. So click on this, you can click on this, click on the post, you scroll something, and you will see there is a category option. So there you can add your category. So category is recruitment. I guess they don't have a category. Recruitment, I guess I can use a marketing, and human resource, they don't have job. Career, okay, they don't have related category. And the next checklist is between 1 to 3 tags, so you guys will add at least 1 to 3 tags. So there is a tag option, there you can add your tags. So my tag is recruitment marketing trends. So this is my tag. Let me add this. Yeah, I have added. Next thing is SEO is good. So is there anything to we can update our headings, so that could be going to looks optimize the thing. Okay, in the bottom section there you can add your description as well. So I have a description, so let me add description. Okay, and what we can do next, so there we can add our focus keywords. So recruitment marketing trends added, and the SEO is still not looks good. So what we can do, there we have added a hyperlink, I guess. Yeah, I have added. And if you wanting to insert hyperlink for any of keyword, so you can select your keyword, and I can show you. Uh, So if you're wanting to insert hyperlink on any targeted keyword, so you can select your keyword, click on this link, paste your website URL, click on this, and if you're wanting to, you can make it bold for the clear visibility. Clear visibility. Okay, and the another tactics, if I can show you to how you guys will remove your a checklist. So click on this, click on the whole box. Yeah, select and make it delete. So checklist is removed. After that you can click on the publish button. Again you can click on the publish. I guess how is checklist is still there. I guess there is something missing. So what I can do, let me select this. I removed a checklist and I haven't idea how I can do these things. But there I have published my article. So if I can show you, if I can click on the edit post, and you guys will see there I have completed my all checklist. Readability is good and the SEO is good. But recently when I published, I completed all the tasks. So when you guys are adding your article na, so you can update your all details, kind of headings, feature image, and make it readable to your content, and do some internal linking, because there I made some unwanted things as well na, to I added a multiple content I guess. But recently I published and I don't have idea so why these things are not working, because the same things I followed with on this. If I can complete, if I can refresh this, what should be going to happen? If I can click on this, between 50 and the 60 characters in title. So top recruitment marketing trends. Let, if I can I use this? I don't know why these things are happening, and you can select this. Featured image is still missing. Why this is missing? Because I updated, I uploaded. Let me upload this. Completed. Between 1 to 3 tags. Let me add a one tags. Technology, healthcare. So hire remote developers, IT staff. Let me use this. And the SEO is not looks good, so what we can do, we can optimize some headings, and we'll see what is this. Recruitment marketing trends, let me add their title. I guess there is some technical issue. Might be I completed all the things, but still these things are not working. But recently I published my article on this site, and you guys are already seen this. So you can see this is my article. So there I have completed my all things. So you can follow the same method. You can add a one by one section content, and you guys will optimize your headings. After you can, if you have images, so you can insert image as well. Then you guys will follow the all process, and you after you are able to publish your article, because recently I published this article on this site. So if you can open this website homepage, if I opened this website homepage, you will see this is my article what recently published. So this is a process for the article submission for this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.